Everyone, this is another episode of Will It Powder. So this week we've got a bowling ball and a bowling pin, and I'm not sure what color we want to do this week.
I was thinking for the bowling ball like a metallic something or whatever, and the bowling pin, I don't know. What do you got?
I don't know.
No, wait. Let's try something different. Let's make the Mexican flag for Cinco de Mayo. How about that?
That's great.
Maybe?
Great idea.
Maybe?
Love it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Well, we just got these out of the furnace, and we've got one fail and one win.
Yep. Sorry, Pedro, we didn't get out to the Mexican flag on that one yet, but for obvious reasons.
Yeah, it didn't turn out great. Who would have known it would have failed, though? I thought it'd been no problem.
So I guess it expanded?
I think so.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, so definitely
Crazy.
a fail, but that's
This one turned out good. This is the bowling ball, and it took pretty well, if you ask me.
You want to see a closer look at this? I mean, it turned out pretty darn smooth. Looks good.
I think we should try polishing it up too. See if we can get a little more shine, or I think that would be cool.
Yeah. And this one, yeah, didn't even get to the painting it for the Mexican flag yet. It didn't even get that far. But hey, sometimes it's good to have some fails on here. But yeah. Well, check in next week, and we'll be actually doing a mountain bike frame.